Love, the nurturing of life force. Love breathing. Place your hands on your thighs or knees with the palms facing skyward and begin to breathe, focusing on the palms of your hands, as if you were breathing from the palms of your hands. Feel the sensitivity of the nerve currents in your hands and your fingers. Sense a tingling sensation or a warmth or a buzz in your hands, the life force in your hands. And while breathing from your palms, listen to life through the palms of your hands. Continue breathing from your palms and listen to the sun, the moon, the stars, all light from the palms of your hands. And feel this true connection to all life through your breath, through your palms, and through your heart. Love meditation. In a very quiet inner space, move into your heart. And from the fullness and beauty of your heart, imagine gesturing or saying to many of your relations, "I love you." Gesture or say or image from your heart, "I love you," to many of your relations. Now begin to see these relations saying, gesturing, imaging back to you, "I love you." From your heart, see your relations saying, imaging, gesturing to you, "I love you."